Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Science means not only observation, but experimental. That is complete. Otherwise theory. It is not science. So they have got different theories that anyone can put forward. That is not. But real fact is that Krishna is spiritual, is the supreme Nitya Nityanam, Chetana Chetananam. This is Vedic injunction. God is the supreme Nitya Etana and the supreme living being. In the dictionary also it is said, God means the supreme being. They could not understand supreme living being. But in the Vedas it is said, not only supreme being, but supreme living being. Nitya Nityanam, Chetana Chetananam, Eko jo bahunam vidadhati kama. That is the description of God. So, it is very difficult to understand even the spiritual substance and what to speak of God. The beginning of spiritual knowledge is to understand first of all what is spirit. And they are taking the intelligence and mind as spirit. That is not spirit. Beyond that. Aparayam itatsu viddhime parayam. So, this perfection, as Prahlad Maharaj had immediately by touching the Supreme Personality, we can also have. There is possibility. And very easily, because we are fallen. Manda, very slow, very bad. Manda and Sumandamada. And because we are bad, everyone has manufactured a theory. Sumanda, mata means opinion. And what is that opinion? Not only manda, but sumanda, very, very bad. Sumanda mata. Manda, sumanda matayo, manda bhagya, and all unfortunate, or misfortune. Why? When there is knowledge, they will not take, they will theorize. The unfortunate. Ready knowledge, but they will theorize. It is like this, it is like that, it is like, perhaps, maybe. This is going on. There is manda bhagya. Just like, here is money, one will not take that money, he will work hard, like hogs and dogs, to earn money. So that means unfortunate. So manda samanda madayo manda bhagya. And because manda bhagya, there is upadduta, always disturbance. This was, that was, that was. Beginning whole history simply was. Why was? Why there is fight? There should not be any fight. Because everything is complete. Purnamidam. The world is full by this mercy of the Supreme Lord. Because it is the kingdom, this is also kingdom of God. But we have made it hell by unnecessarily fighting. Otherwise it is. For a devotee, Purnam, Vishang Purnam Sukhati. Why there should be fight? God has supplied everything. You want water, 3/4 of the earth is full of water. That water is salt. God has processed how to make it sweet. You cannot do this. Water you want, there is sufficient water. Why there should be scarcity? Now we heard in Europe, they were contemplating importing water. Was not that? Yes. In England, they are thinking of importing. Is that possible? But these rascal scientists think like that. They will. Why not? England is surrounded by water. Why don't you take water? No. Nire kori vas namitilo piyas. I am living in water, I am dying of thirst. This rascal's philosophy. I think in our childhood we read one book, a moral class book, said there was a story that a ship wrecked and they took the shelter of one boat, but some of them died of thirst because they could not drink water. So in this water they are living, but they died of thirst. So our position is that everything is full. And still you are dying and fighting. What is the reason? The reason is that we do not follow Krishna. This is absence of Krishna consciousness. My Guru Maharaj used to say that this world is full of everything. Only scarcity is Krishna consciousness. Only scarcity. Otherwise there is no scarcity. Everything is full. And if you take the instruction of Krishna, you will happy. Immediately. You can make the whole world happy. This instruction of Krishna in the Bhagavad-gita, so perfect. It must be perfect because it is coming from Krishna. It is not the so-called scientist theory. No. Perfect instruction. And if we follow the instruction, if we practically utilize, then whole world, Vishwam Purnam Sukharati.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna